main niggas. The world in the palm of your hand. 23 million of useful land. The seed in the black woman. Double LP from Wu-Tang Clan.
My name is Hassani Ali, and I'd like to welcome you to Ali's Corner.
Fellas, Coach Ali here as always. Thank you for stopping by Coach Ali's Corner. You're gonna catch me in rare form today because today I got a little bit of man work to do. And so today I'm going to fix my garbage disposal. It's actually a redo of a video I've done before, but I did it on my phone. And so one of the commenters said that the video was a little bit dark, so I just wanted to revamp it a little bit so you guys can get an idea of what it's like underneath your sink if you've never been in there. And trust me, you definitely want to learn this if you're about saving money. I know I am. I got a really nasty sink. Don't be laughing in my kitchen. But I'm gonna do this just for you guys so you guys know what to do. What I will say is you definitely will need an Allen wrench set. Preferably mine takes a 5/16, and so I'm gonna take this underneath the sink and let's go and get into it. Okay, so now that we're under here and we have our little Allen wrench tool here, as you can see, it goes right into the garbage disposal. And all you're gonna do is give it a few turns to reset those blades. And as you can hear, it's going, resetting itself. Try to get a full turn in there if you can. And this will help get any kind of gunk that's in there, any kind of residue, broken glass, food, debris. This should help get all that out of there. Whoop, dropped it, got it. Sports, I tell you, it helps. Oh, and then it locked, there it is. So again, just gonna give this a few turns. There we go. And then once you're done, there should be a red button under here that you would press to reset it. And again, you just want to keep working this until it doesn't give you really any resistance. That's how you know the blades are reset and all the debris that's in the garbage disposal basically has been freed up. And then we're gonna come up here and give it a whirl. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna check it out. Voila. Turn. So fellas, that is how you fix your garbage disposal. I'd like to thank the commenter who made the comment that the video I made previously was too dark. So I went and ramped it up for you. So we revamped it, professionally done. That's how you do it like a professional. Hassani Ali, as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I think we're good. We're out.